welcome back to my channel and another camping vlog. I know you guys love my camping videos, and this weekend I'm going again for camping, so I thought of why not vlog it again this time. And I'm excited. It's just gonna be probably the last camping of 2020, as it's gonna be fall soon and not really the camping weather. So let's make the best out of this camping. And we have finally reached at the campsite after about 1.5 hour drive, and it's beautiful. I love this campsite here. We are at the Goldstream Provincial Park campsite, and it's pretty nice here. I love the jungles and the beauty here. And we have spotted a little guy there. Can you see?
Try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no.
I am so grateful to be living in this beautiful part of the world where I can go camping in the mountains at some stunning locations and just connect with the nature, connect with my roots. And that's why I love camping so much. I look forward to camping every year. It reminds me of my childhood days because originally back home in India, I have grown up in a village, and in my childhood there used to be times when we did not have any electricity at nights, and we used to just sleep under the stars, under the sky. And I still remember those nights, me and my brother gazing at the sky and counting the stars. And it also allows me to unplug from the world, from the technology, from all the external resources or things in life that make us get attracted towards the materialistic things. Camping really helps me to just wind down and enjoy every single bit of this beautiful, beautiful nature and the beauty out there.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright guys, so After enjoying the breakfast nearby the fire pit and taking cold showers, I'm ready and all freshened up. Everything is packed up. The car is fully packed. Danish, look at him, how fresh he's looking after a cold shower.
It was fun.
Yeah, I don't even remember when was the last time I took cold shower. It's been years. So now all ready and heading out. So that was it for today's camping vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it, comment below if you enjoyed any part of the vlog, and also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification for future videos. I will see you guys next time. Till then, you take care and be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye. Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel as well,
Yes.
Danish Kela. Okay guys, bye.